Video going viral on social media. Now the issue between me and the father of my children. At first, we are not legally married, which he himself confirmed it at the station. In 2014, when he traveled, he called me all of a sudden that I should go and block him off wherever I've posted his name, and from now I should not attach his name to anything, which I did as he instructed. I've not been getting attention. He has not been calling. Only if I use someone's number to get him, and as soon as he heard my voice, he will cut me off. He only calls at his own convenient time. I don't know, which I asked him why. He said the American embassy is deporting Nigerians home, that I should be praying for him. This I started praying, fasting, that to not be his portion in Jesus' name. 2016, he called me that they've encrypted his calls. I cannot be calling me anyhow. That I cannot be calling him anyhow too. And I've been hearing series of rumors in the estates that he's legally married, which he has not done anything on me legally. 2019 December, early December, I heard he wanna come home, which he confirmed that he's coming home truly, because we've been processing our daughter's traveling. So he asked me for some documents, do this, do that. So I think maybe because of that, he has been calling. And when he came home, December, or maybe he thinks I might not allow him to take girl with him. I asked him of what I've been hearing. He said yes, that I should move on. I asked him, is it truly what I'm hearing, that you had a marriage with someone legally? He said yes. You had a son? He said yes. But firstly, when I asked him, he denied it. But when I now did my findings, and he later said yes. So on that fateful day, my friends came to the house. I asked him to come. He brought some drugs for me, because I was asked to do surgery at Anzila High Clinic, Catholic Optical Services, which I told him I want to go for a surgery for my eye. He said no. He disagreed with me, that's not the best. There are some drugs I can still be using, which will get for me overs. Fine. He brought those drugs for me. It was late at night when he closed, because he closed very late at the office. He came home to drop those drugs for me. He said, I want to go back. I said no. With the situation of this country, you can't go back this night. Why not stay? And besides that night, I was not feeling too well, which he agreed to stay. At about 2 p.m., a girl I accommodated to my house woke me up that someone is at the door. I was like, who was that? As soon as I peeked through the door, I saw her sister. I mean, his sister rather. You know, the person I've known. I was forced to open the door. I asked what happened. She asked me quietly to her, please open the door. I don't know what really happened. I opened the door, but before then, There's a gate in my house. I don't know how they came in. They jumped through the fence and they busted him with a shovel in their hand. Two of his sisters, two of the landlords, and two other thugs that I don't know, which they claimed to be a police officer, and his sacks. So as they busted him, started beating, dragging my pajamas, dragging this, beating him, hitting him with shovel. That was